Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. As we all know, the farmhouse look is hot, so popular. And when I saw this collection from Moda Fabrics by Kathy Schmitz, this is called Maryland, it just resonated with me and I just kept designing things. So what's on with me on the set? We've introduced you to this amazing panel quilt, absolutely beautiful. These are panels that you'll fussy cut apart, and with some simple piecing, you have a stunning quilt. We also have some other projects, including our folded star hot pads, hanging towels. We have our napkins, and of course, when you have napkins, you want to have a table runner. Well, I knew farmhouse was something that resonated with me and so many of you, and that this collection would be beautiful either as a table runner, or if you have a beautiful bench and you want to have a pillow, you could take the same kit and turn that into a pillow. So that is one of our newest patterns here. This is called Farmhouse using Maryland. Of course, you could use your own fabrics if you have a collection at home that you'd like to see that in instead. But everything that you're seeing on the set with us today is available as a kit. And as I mentioned, with this kit, you have that option of either making the table runner, the pillow, or if you choose, and this would be a really pretty option as well, this would also be a beautiful wall hanging. Maybe you could put that above a kitchen sink, somewhere in an open wall in your kitchen. I think it'd just be stunning. So we wanted to introduce that to you. We have those options written inside the pattern. Of course, that will be included inside your kit. Very simple. And of course, all the letters, we know you love that being prefused and laser cut, and we've done that. So if you're going to be purchasing the kit, that'll already be taken care of for you. We'll have heat and bond light on the back. Once you have your background cut, you'll just lay that out. We'll have you'll just be referring to the instructions inside your pattern. And of course, you'll be stitching that down. Be sure to use a super nonstick size 80 needle for that. The super nonstick is ideal anytime you're using the fusible webbing, and we just use that confetti black on that. Some simple patchwork here. And for this border piece out, framing that, we used the 2.5 inch wide ruler to cut that. This finishes at 2, so we thought that was a really great ruler to have on hand for this project. I love this little bit of piping flange detail we added as well, just a little bit to kind of frame that word farmhouse. So even if you're fairly new at sewing, you can absolutely jump into this, and I think it'd just be a beautiful touch to capture that farmhouse look. And of course, if there's other projects that inspire you as well, we think this is that total home look with all of the projects coordinating so beautifully. So thank you for giving me part of your day to show you the newest project here from Shabby Fabrics, and I'll see you soon on another video.